Hello guys, welcome to SquadXPro. Today we're gonna explore how we can import players and team list from an CSV file. So first what you have to do, you have to go to your event, click on this three dots and you'll have some management option. So you go to manage events and scroll down. Here you will see the complete control and management of your events, manage team members, players, event settings, and we have a data import. So first what you have to do, you have to download these two files. I'll show you the files in a moment. And registered player list you have collected from your Google form or from other source, you have to copy and paste them into the sample list as per the format which we have. So let's say this is the player format, which I have just downloaded from the list. So first, in first column, we have all the player names, then categories, then the points, which is the base points which we are going to assign to each player. Frankly, we can assign default points to player category, which can be updated in event settings. So you can keep the points as a default base point. Let's say if it's 30, you can all the points will be 30, and if it's 50, all the points should be 50, because if you change this, it will affect on the category output as well. So then we have tags, notes, and then we have a photograph. For photograph, you have to keep few things in mind. You have to have these photographs like I have done in this Google Drive folder. So we have all the players images in the folder. So what you have to do, you have to go to this folder and click on three dots and go on share and share. And here, instead of restricted, you need to have anyone with the link. Okay. And once you update this, save this, and come in the folder. And I believe if you have used a Google form, you already have all the images, URLs placed there. For now, I just copy this link for the one. And if I open this in my browser, I can view the image without any login. I've not signed in, but still I'm able to view this. So this, you have to make sure this happens for the system to work. The most important thing is the number with the country code and the name and the photograph. So yeah, for the number and country code, you have to make sure you have the country code in the country code column, like this what we have, and the number as a 10-digit number separately in the contact number. So we use contact number as user authentication and to send login OTP for the user account and the profile. This has to be mandatory, and this has to be in a perfect shape and form. In some cases, if there are extra spaces between the numbers, if you scroll the number and then it is not formatted as a number, it's aligned to the left hand side, then you have to correct it and make sure it's a proper formatted number. You can add the email address as well, which will help the user to update his profile. So this is there. Once you do that, you can add other details like the birth date, the t-shirt size, if you have the city, the other experience, achievements, and all those stuff. And by the way, you don't have to fill everything, and that's about it. Once you have this filled up, you save the list and come back to event settings and upload the players. Let's say we upload the sample players, and here you will see the preview of them. And if tomorrow like you have more players and you want to re-upload the list, you can do that. It will, based on the number and the name, the list will be updated by automatically, and it will update the data as well. So basically, based on the number, it will update. Once you do that, you have all the player uploaded. You do the same with the teams. You go to the teams, for the sample team, and upload them. It will show 12 records. You only need 4. So you upload them. Sample teams. Let's go and have only 1, 2, 3, 4 records. And here you just remove them and save them. Upload the list, and it will show you the preview. It will only allow you to upload the number of the teams which you have selected as a tier of your event, it will not allow you to import more teams than this. So once you do that, you just press confirm and your player are uploaded successfully. And if you refresh this page, you will see your 4 teams. So we have our 4 team displayed here, and 12 players out of 80 has been updated to the system. So that's how you upload the complete player and the team list. One thing which you have to keep in mind is you have to have 80 players set up, uploaded to the system to start the auction. If you start the auction now, it will not allow you to run the auction before you have the 80 players or number of player you have assigned it or have it in the setting. So thank you for this.